Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will be solving the day 23 problem from the May LeetCoding challenge. Given two lists of closed intervals, each list of interval is pairwise disjoint and in sorted order. We need to return the intersection of these two interval lists. In the example, we have two lists A and B, and the output is the intersection point of two lists. We are given data constraints too. Let's see how we got the output visually. We plot the points in an array and mark the range with color. Now, the intersection point is the point where exist both the colors. When we take out the intersection part, it will look like this. Now, if we see the ranges of intersection point, we get the output that was required. Now let's work on the algorithm as to how we can get the output programmatically. We will first initialize a result list which will contain the ranges for intersection point. Now we initialize two variables I and j which will hold the current index of arrays. We will loop till both the indexes are less than the length of arrays. Inside the loop, we will first find the maximum of index 0 value in both the arrays. Then we find the minimum of index 1 value in both the arrays. If maximum is less than or equal to minimum, then we add maximum comma minimum in the result list. Now we move to the second condition and check if the index 1 value in A of I is less than that in B of j. If yes, then we increment I, otherwise we increment j. At the end, we convert the list to array and return it. Now let's see the example. We have two input arrays with ranges. We will initialize result list and index I and j with 0. We will continue to iterate till both I and j are less than the length of A and length of B. We will take the values of A at I and B at j. We will then find the maximum and minimum between the two. We get the maximum as 1 and minimum as 2. Now we check if we can add the range in the result list. As 1 is less than 2, we add now 1, we check the second condition into the result list where we compare index 1 values of both A and B. As we see that 2 is less than 5, it satisfies our condition and so we increment I. This completes our first iteration. As both I and j are less than the length of A and B, we move on with our next iteration of A at I and B at j and find the maximum and minimum. As both are equal, it satisfies our condition. So we add 5, 5 in the list. Now we check the second condition. As 10 is not less than 5, it does not satisfy our condition. This completes our second iteration. Similarly, we will continue iterating till both I and j are less than the length of A and B. As I is now not less than the length of A, we terminate the loop and convert the list into an array and return it. The time and space complexity of this algorithm is O of m plus n, where m and n are the length of A and B. Here's the code snippet. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.